Hi guys, welcome back to my channel MBA Guinea Pig. As you can see, I've reached Yuksum. I'm gonna start my trek today, so I'm ready in my gear. Everybody is very excited, but it rained all night yesterday, so we're a little nervous too because if it rains on the trek is gonna be a little tough for us. We're at somewhat about 5,000 feet right now. By afternoon today we'll be somewhere around 7,500 feet, and like the weather acclimatization would still not hit in, the mountain sickness wouldn't hit in, but it's cold and we have to pitch a tent and all in the rain, so we're still a little jumpy about it, but very excited.
तो उसके अंदर टाइमर लगा के कटर की हाई करके अबे यार तू बोल
Hi guys, so it's the fourth day of my trek and we're literally in the middle of wilderness now, and all I can hear is the fountain. As you can see, there are red rhododendron flowers everywhere. It's beautiful, and I'll try to keep recording and keeping a tab of as many things as I can to capture all the beauty that I'm getting to see. Well, it's very tough also, like especially going to the loo out in the open. Really not my thing. I've come to realize I'm much of a city girl quite frankly, but I'm trying to adjust and enjoy this while I can, so keep you posted. Guys, I just want to take 2 minutes to appreciate that I'm at 9,000 feet right now and I'm literally in the middle of the clouds. Can you see? Can you hear the birds chirping?
लिक्विड ले लो, देन खाना खा लो, लंच रेडी है, ठीक है। और एक मतलब वाइटल पॉइंट है कि 5 टेंट लगाए और 3 लगा दूंगा, 8 टेंट, राइट। और रात को बारिश भी हो सकता है, ओला भी गिर रहा है, ठीक है, वेदर भी खराब हो सकता है, राइट। और वे ऑप्शन यहाँ पे हम लोग स्टे कर सकते हैं, सो देन यू हैव टू बी ओनली 100 रुपीज ईच, राइट। तो अगर ज़्यादा बारिश होगा, ज़्यादा मतलब मैं नहीं चाहता कि टेंट पे रह के ठंड में किसी का बीमारी या बुखार जो भी आ जाए, तो देन समिट नहीं, मतलब प्रॉब्लम है, ऑप्शनल बन जाए। तो हम लोग ऊपर जरा आने के टाइम में कहीं भी स्टे करो, प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, समिट हो जाए तो सक्सेसफुल,
ये हो चुका है गाना, ये गाना अरे गाया तो था।
जब से मिला हूँ तेरा होने लगा हूँ, खोने लगा हूँ, जब से मिला हूँ, दबे दबे पाँव से आए हो।
So guys, today I'm headed to Than Singh, which is supposed to be some 13,000 feet, and as you can see, we've already hit the trail where it has snowed yesterday, and it's expected that by the time we reach Than Singh, it will be snowing. So hoping to make it as soon as possible. Guys, I'm back. Photo नहीं है, video है. I couldn't help capture this. You see it on my sleeve. This is not exactly snow, it's sleet, but yes, it's cold. It's just beautiful. It's like some winter wonderland I've come to. पहले मेरे को खींचना था हमेशा. It's been snowing since the last 2 days now, so that was a setback for us because we're expecting that we might have to change the trail that we're taking to this summit. Like, it's a viewpoint one at the Goicha Pass, which is the Goicha La. But let's hope the weather clears up and the snow melts down so we can actually tour every place that we wish to. Apart from that, it's a lot of test of my physical fitness, my lung power, my calves, my hamstrings, if I can handle weight on my shoulders for long periods of time, if I can hold my bladder for a long period of time. So yes, you actually got to be pretty fit to undertake such kind of a thing, since it's like a 10-day long tour, but definitely worth taking because it's
चले I'm good to go.
चलो हो गया रेडी हो और दूर जा. हाँ हाँ बस हाँ इसमें तो आई मेरा पास लगा लो. ओह कहाँ कहाँ
पीछे वाला
लैंडस्केप और पोर्ट्रेट दोनों ले लेना.
Guys, I've reached Goichala viewpoint 1, and if you can see, that in my background is the Kanchenjunga peak, and the sunrise has just happened on it, so it's shining gold. I'll put as many pictures as I can. If you can see, I'm so out of breath. My nose is totally red because of so much exertion, but this place is totally worth it, and the vibe is so good. The air is so fresh. Everybody's busy clicking pictures. I'm busy recording my vlog, but Apollo, hi. That's my trek group. So this was what I slogged for 5 days for, and thank God I did, because totally worth it. It's amazing.
वो MBA वाले उस पे डाले
So yesterday we submitted the viewpoint 1 on through viewpoint 1 is that something like a 16,100 feet something, and from there you can see sunrise hit the tip of Mount Kanchenjunga, and it's just 4 kilometers from viewpoint 1. It was a tough climb, but totally worth it, and I couldn't record over there because I was literally freezing. It was minus 10 degrees Celsius, and I just couldn't get myself to pull my phone out and record a video for you. I wish I could have, but all in all it was like we hiked for about 13 odd kilometers the day before when we reached Zongri, and then we slept for 3-4 hours. We hiked for about 8 kilometers and in steep flattened out snow, so we were extremely tired. We reached this place called Hansing at about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Then we slept off at 8 o'clock after having dinner, and at 12 o'clock we left in the night. 12 o'clock in the night we left for our hike to viewpoint 1, and it was an 18-kilometer to and fro, so we're very tired. We're literally washed out, like the whole group is washed out right now, but we had no option. We returned to Thansing, picked up all our bags and hiked down to Kokchurang on our return journey, because we're expecting snow and we don't want to delay our returns because we have flights on a certain date. So right now we're all packed, and like you can see the group in the background, they're all chilling, they're having fun. We're all packed, we're just about to leave. It's going to be a tough hike today as well because the way is closed off because of snow. So we're just going to clean it with a ice pick and ice axe, and then hope to reach our destination on time. Guys, we've reached Shoka, which is at 10,000 feet, so we're ascending pretty fast, and as you can see it's raining heavily, and it's some minus 2 degrees Celsius right now, I think, but it's still a relief because obviously the oxygen level has gone up as we are descending, so everybody's spirit is very high. And I thought that I'll just switch on the phone and share a minute with you as to how I've been feeling these past days. So the very first thing that comes to my mind is we didn't have signal. We still don't have signal. It's been 6-8 days since I've not had signal in my phone, and it feels so peaceful to not be in constant touch with the world. Just work at your own pace. The second thing, which is time goes so slowly over here. We're always in the city, we're always discussing कि time कहाँ चले आता है पता नहीं चलता, but over here it's like हम कहते हैं time क्या हो रहा है, somebody says 11 o'clock, like it's just 11 till now. It feels like it's 4 in the evening. The days seem so much longer without technology, without any fixed agenda. Plus the third thing that I really feel is that right now the one task that we do is सुबह चलना है, कहीं पहुंचना है, खाना खाना है और सो जाना है, and it's a good thing. There is zero guilt. We wake up in the morning, we do the day's work in the day, and then we go off to sleep. I mean, I wish that there is some kind of discipline in my life when I where I learn to do that, know what I need to do in a day and just focus on that and not run over my future or ponder over my past. That would be a very good place to be in as a practice in life. The fourth thing is that we are about a group of 13 people and some help, people for help during this tour, and we've become such a close group. We share everything. We share things about our personal life. We share things as in like a toothpaste or physical things, and we share moments. We share silence. It's just such a close bond with people who've come from such diverse backgrounds. It's just that because we don't have too many means of entertaining ourselves, these few people have become our sources of entertainment, and we've learn to put up with them not being choosy कि ये मेरे टाइप का इंसान नहीं है, वो मेरे टाइप का इंसान नहीं है, and that's a very liberating thing in itself, you know, to get along with everybody you're with and get along with them with an open heart. So that's also something very nice. As for if I'm missing home, yes, I am missing home, and I do want to go back because it's a tough life. There are no proper washrooms. The water is very cold in the tap. So there have been days when we just used a Listerine. We didn't even use a toothpaste and a toothbrush. Yet, I think I will miss this peace and I will miss this me time once I go back. There will certainly be a withdrawal because I've never ever been on a trip before जहाँ मैं दुनिया से इतने डेज तक डिसकनेक्टेड हूँ. मैंने अपनी फिजिकल लिमिट्स इतनी ज़्यादा ट्राई करी. आई एम वॉकिंग 95 kilometers within 8 days. You know.
Food was wonderful, starting with breakfast, you know, be it hot lunch, packed lunch, dinner, in between snacks, बीच में जो आता था सभी टाइम पे आता था. हर दिन क्वालिटी मेंटेन किया गया है. एक दिन भी कुछ कंप्लेन नहीं है. आई एम टेलिंग दिस फ्रॉम एक्सपीरियंस बिकॉज आई हैड वेरी बैड एक्सपीरियंसेस विद फूड. जो खाने को मिलता था वो उतना अच्छा नहीं होता था. इन टर्म्स ऑफ द कॉम्पिटेंसी ऑफ द टीम एंड जो कि आप तीनों लीड कर रहे थे और शफल कर रहे थे, वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. क्योंकि मैं एक ट्रैक पे गुम हो चुका हूँ क्योंकि गाइड ठीक नहीं था. I almost got killed myself. Then somehow I was saved for whatever reason. But in this particular trek, I saw proper professionalism in terms, you know, three of you, Piyush, Somnath and Zangoji. I think that is very important when it comes to any trek. In spite of the very harsh weather conditions, I think things were dealt beautifully. Decisions taken dynamically, and the decisions have really worked for the entire team. And I think I can always मेरे को स्टाफ से वो दिखता है, you know, बहुत कोशिश करते हैं इस वेदर में, इस ठंडी में, इस बारिश में, स्नो में, सब कुछ बहुत परफेक्ट था. अगर मैं कुछ फॉल्ट निकालना चाहता हूँ, कुछ नहीं. ओनली वन सजेशन: check the zippers of your tents before the next trek. That's my only same for sleeping bags. That is my only feedback. And this is one of the treks.
हमारे लिए स्पेशल काट लो. चलो काट लो. जंगल में काट दो. सब मिलकर हाथ मिलकर काट दो. लगाओ. ओरे माता
काटी क्यों?
ओ बैकग्राउंड में गाना भी स्टार्ट करो. ओ जंग भाई वो गाना.
रेशम
अभी बिकात की बात आती है तो हमको दो ऐसे इंस्टेंसेस लगे वेयर आई फेल्ट दैट वी वर इन गुड हैंड्स. एक थे जब हम वी वर गोइंग ऑल द वे फ्रॉम जोंगरी टू तानसेन और वो बीच में वो भैया आके पूरा चाय लेके भागते हुए आ रहे और तो मुझे नहीं लगता मेनी ट्रैक टीम्स वुड एक्चुअली मतलब वो करेंगे अपने ट्रैकर्स के लिए भागते हुए आएंगे. ऑल्दो हम हैरान हो गए जब वो वापस भागते हुए चले गए. दूसरी बात है कि जब उन्होंने रूट पूरा खोला है 6 फुट स्नो में, स्टाफ ने तो स्पेशली स्टाफ को बहुत बड़ा थैंक यू. जानको जी को बहुत बड़ा थैंक यू कि वो रूट अगर नहीं खुलता हम नहीं जानते हम अभी कहाँ होते. और वो क्लाइंब मुझे लगता है बाकी ग्रुप्स वुड हैव जस्ट मेड द एंटायर टीम मेक.
पोकचुरंग वाला ऑफ था. ठीक है. कौन सा? पोकचुरंग वाला रूट ऑफ था. तो सिर्फ एक ही इक्वेशन उस केस में बन सकता था कि थानसिंग से निकल के सबमिट कर ले. और मतलब उतना उस टाइम पे एनर्जी नहीं था, पर फिर भी मतलब वो बहुत ही लॉजिकल और रैशनल डिसीजन था.
प्लस सबसे पूछ के डिस्कस करके
अगर हम बोलते कि 8 बजे जाना था तो इट डजंट मेक एनी सेंस, बट वो रेडी थे तो वो काफ़ी सही लगा मुझे डिसीजन मेकिंग. और तीसरी चीज़ मतलब 3 ट्रैक लीडर्स है, गाइड है और पूरा सपोर्टिंग स्टाफ, उनका इंटेंट एकदम सही था. एग्जीक्यूशन अगर 99 हो सकता है बट इंटेंट बहुत सही था. तो मैं अगर वो जो 1% भी कोई एरर रहा तो आई डोंट माइंड इट. तो मेरा बहुत अच्छा रहा.
तो समिट वाले दिन के लिए ये भी है कि जो टीम है उसका भी एटीट्यूड बहुत सही था.
हाय मैं उर्वशी हूँ, मैं अजीब चीज़ें करती रहती हूँ। मेरे पेज को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करो।
लाइक बटन
और बेल आइकॉन भी।
बेल आइकन
सब्सक्राइब।
चैनल का नाम बताओ।
कौन सा है?
MBA गिनी पिग।